All right, just documenting this because nobody seems to document this, and I just went ahead and took the plunge because I don't feel like buying the replacement phone. But to get this secondary screen off on the LG Wing, all you do is heat it up. Heat it up with the heat gun. I have my heat gun down there, and I did this at the same time to get the battery out. But this doesn't do anything but push in, and it's stuck on the side with the adhesive. So you see, I got it loose. Um, I just literally unplugged like the appropriate cables, and it comes like you don't have to do anything with this board. As you see, is already coming loose. Then all you do is just pry, and then you see your cable runs through this little hole right here, and that's it. I think this will be enough to help people change the secondary screen, which both of mine are broken. But I decided to keep on to this phone just because I like it, and I'm waiting on something better to come out. So better for me and my usage. So, but this is just a little tip and tidbits. So okay.